Morning guys, welcome to day 2 of the Mega Chesil Challenge. Well, it's only me. What of a challenge is it? So we've had a good night last night. Spent the night in West Bexington, and this morning I thought I'd make a change, come up to Abbotsbury because yesterday was a bit of a nightmare. The sun's just coming up behind me here, and it's currently, let's have a look, stand by, 25 to 6 in the morning. Sea's looking nice and flat again. A couple of anglers, there's one behind me, and there's, I don't know, a dozen or so in front. So we're going to get that lot set up again. God, I might be too old for this. I'll catch you in a minute. So, good morning guys. We've gotten up and over this morning, and first off we are going to be using just a small prawn on a dongle with a 3/0 circle hook. Sea's really flat out here, nice offshore wind again. Right, I've not cast out this rod yet, so I'm going to be a bit, put a few brakes on. Okie doke. Beauty. Not sure which way the tide's going yet. Soon find out, won't we? Get him down there. Right then, I'm going to get the other rod set up, and we're going to bring you back a bit later on. Sun's just coming up. It's just 6 o'clock. It's going to be another scorchio day today. How are we doing guys? Not sure if you can hear me with the wind, but we are just down here. Right, I'm going to get back down. Speak to you soon. Right then guys, time for a bit of a bait change. I can't believe this is screaming like it is again. I mean, I'm casting way up there and it's coming across there within 2 minutes. It's a bit like uptiding from the beach, isn't it? Yeah, it's coming around there. God, that wind's a bit chilly. So as you know, I've been sticking to prawn and squid, but this last couple out were squid and prawn cocktail. Caught into something. Bit of weed, I would have thought. Or a rusty set of feathers. Well, my pulling my own line in. I think I could be pulling my own line in. Yeah, typical. Oh yeah. Caught my own bloody line. Stay there for a minute. Yeah, it's going to be another lovely day again, guys. Stay slack for a minute. Got a few birds skitting about out here. Just had 5 swans come across, which was quite nice to see. That wind's quite chilly out here, believe it or not. But I know it's going to get warmer. Right, I'm going to get these sorted out, guys, alright? So, we've got a squid and prawn cocktail, and I've extended those grip leads out a little bit, the wires, hopefully get a bit more traction in the shingle out there. Yes, we're going big now, boys. 6-0 circle, no messing about. Don't want any bream today, I just want a bloody smooth hound. Let's get him out. Let's cast him right up tide. Get out. Oh yeah. A bit of line out. Basically, yeah, up tide into the shore. Get the old ratchet on. Take the drag off. A few more people turning up now. It's surprising how busy this place gets this time of year, isn't it? When it's so early as well. Right. We've got a double squid on that one. Just going to bend these grip leads out a little bit. Yeah, see they're not sticking out very much. Let's get your pliers. Let's bend them out. Wireframe there. Yeah, get a bit more traction with that, I reckon. Yeah, nice. Okay. Yeah, he's come. In fact, he's not pulling so hard at the moment. So I'm just going to go straight out with this one. Just change these rods over. If you've watched the previous videos, guys, you would have heard me say about me getting a Osmo 3 camera to do the work with. But I've just spent a bit of money on a new vehicle, so that's out the window for a minute, I'm afraid. Yeah, I had a Freelander, and well, it's 6 years. It's been brilliant. Done lots of work to it, and I thought I'd put it on the market for sale. And I spent about 5 hours on it, doing it up, looking beautiful. Young lady come along for a test drive, and I got up the road, and the bloody clutch went. So I limped it home, and I said, "Listen, I can't sell the car like that. I've got to get it fixed." Anyway, I took it to my garage, and it's going to be 1,600 quid for a new clutch, and I'm selling it. Can't ride it, can you? You know what I mean? Anyway, fortunately, I bought a Discovery 4 week before, so I've got transport, which I've slept in for the first time last night down in Bexley, and yeah, beautiful vehicle. Got to be honest. But yeah, I've got to get the Freelander sold now. So if you know anybody, let me know. Yeah, these are looking good now. Yeah, that wind's screaming out that way. I did notice down West Bexington yesterday there was, I mean, as far as the eye could see, probably maybe 300 yards offshore, maybe a bit further. There was all these buoys. Now I'm hoping they were crab pots or whatever, and not a gill net. But there's none round here, which is good. So we'll see. Give it a go, aren't we? There's one person probably, I don't know, half a mile up there, and I don't know, half a dozen people 300 yards down there. So it's really, really nice here today. Just the scenery is just stunning, isn't it? If you've obviously been here, you guys, it's beautiful. You can see how people are drawn to this beach, 18 miles long, and I just like the way it makes you feel desolate. You can get away from the crowds and stuff, just on your own. It's just nice to chill out, isn't it? Right, I'm going to get back in. Oh, just seen my first swallow. Or was it a swift? I don't know, black and white one. Swallow, I think. Yeah. Right, I'm going to get back in the shell because it's a bit blowy out here. You know, sometimes when we're baiting up, you know, we kind of just crack on with it and say, "Well, I do," you know what I mean? And you know, you could do a little bit better sometimes, I'm sure. But if Gordon Ramsay did baits, I'm sure it would look something just like that. That is a beautiful king prawn and squid cocktail. Absolutely bloody lovely. Let's get it out there. Right, let's get this little stove going. Oh yeah. Let's give them a few minutes. That's breakfast sorted, guys. A few nice roast potatoes would be quite nice, wouldn't it, as well? Never mind. Maybe next time. In the meantime, let's keep an eye on these rods. Oh, I'll just take you out for a minute, why not? There we go. So there's nobody down there. I mean, there's somebody right in the distance. Way off down there. And there's, oh, even less anglers. I thought there's more. It's less now, but... Can't hold the camera still, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, little setup down here, look. What's not to love on this beautiful day? All we need now is a few bites. Right, let's just check the progress of this. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. Couple more minutes and that's breakfast sorted. Right guys, whatever you do, don't buy the meatballs. They are absolutely rank. So they can go in there. Yeah, they were gross. A bit like the colour of that water as well. Really murky. It's even created a slick out there, look. Yeah, don't buy the meatballs from one of the cheaper supermarkets. Probably get a load of fish come up now. Sank to the bottom of the sea. Bloody. Right then, here we go. You might have noticed I always cast with reels up position, but as it's a bit quiet, I just thought I'd try reel down. I've not cast like this for bloody years, so it's going to be a bit alien. Not sure where the lead should be, but wow, that feels weird. Oh my god, really? Is that going to work? No, I don't feel right. 1 minute. Is everything off? Yeah. Okay. This could go horribly wrong. Here we go. Wow. Well, that one bloody bad. Felt a bit strange, I have to say. Might need to make a note of where my hand should be. But that actually wasn't too bad. The trouble is now I've got to bend down further. That wasn't bad, that, to be fair. Felt a bit long, but I could probably live with that for a little bit. I'll keep that one where it is for the time being. Got to bring it in now, change some baits. But we'll stick with it for a bit, I reckon. I think we're on slack water now. There's no tide run in here. Wind's dropped off as well. We need now a few fish. These baits were coming back untouched, by the way, earlier. Yeah, a bit like that one there, look. That's not been touched either. Right, we'll change this one up, get him out. I'm thinking with this really murky water, you've got to have some really stinky bait out there to get a bait trail, scent trail. So I've just found some, I'll show you. I've just found some really stinky bits of, I think the herring, by the looks of that. Yeah, really good scent to them. So we're going to double that up with a bit of, maybe a bit of squid or a bit of prawn. So we'll try that. And then we'll come back to you. So on this one, we've got that stinky herring and a prawn. You getting that? Oop. Couple of glow beads on there as well, just on the dongle. We've gone big, we've gone 6-0 hooks on that. Not messing about today. But he's gone that way now, so I'm going to cast over there. Okay. I'd love to know in reality how far we actually get out with these casts. I've done 200 yards over grass with just the lead before. Where's he going? But with the bait on, I don't know. I'd like to think it's over 100. So guys, I was just speaking to a chap up there who's a local, saying there's not much being caught because of the May bloom. But anyway, I've just brought these two baits back in. Been out there 45 minutes, right? And you would think they are brand new baits. Absolutely untouched, not even a sniff of a crab. So I've got a funny feeling it's going to be another blank again today. Don't know. So I'm not going to go. I'm not going to be defeated. But when you hear one of the locals who's fished it for 50 years saying it's fishing crap, you've got to kind of think, oh yeah. And it's all to do with that May bloom stuff. So never mind, it's okay. It's still a beautiful day. Got the old sweatshirt off now. It's warming up a bit nice now. So just going to chill out really and just relax a little bit. Oh, I'll tell you what I was going to tell you. I did a video earlier on and the bloody memory ran out, so it didn't record it. But what you might notice is I've put the reels down below. And I fished that way for quite a while, well 20-30 years ago, but then I can't remember the reason I changed back to have it up high. So I've had a couple of casts. You can half get a bit more power with it. The only trouble is that butt is right in your groin here. I think that might have been the reason I changed back, but we'll see. I'm going to bear with it a little bit, and I can definitely get more power into the cast, and it feels more natural somehow. It's just a bit when it sticks in your groin I don't like, but what can you say? Right guys, that tide now is ripping like mad at the moment again now. But now it's going that way. So we'll just leave it for a few minutes, well 40 minutes. And just fingers crossed, that's all you can do guys. You know it, keep putting them baits out. I've got 2 more baits left. I'm going to make a move. I'll start packing up at 1 o'clock. So I'll get back in time for tea tonight. So baits just came back untouched, but here's another one. Squid and prawn. Let's get in there. See what it wants to do with that. Still screaming off to the right. Right, I'll bring this other one in and I'll come back to you. Right, next up, a bit of bluey, guys. Try a bit of bluey. That's screamed off down there already. Well, I think I'll have one more bait after this, then it's going to be good night Vienna, get back home. It's about an hour and a half from here to Torbay. Be a nice little drive back actually as well. Got a cloud in the sky over here, beautiful. So yeah, note to self, don't come in May, because that May bloom I'm sure is the problem. Sight feeding fish, can't see shit in that. Never mind, it's been a great 2 days, so I ain't moaning. I ain't moaning at all. It's cost me about, I don't know, 110 quid I suppose, with the fuel, parking and stuff, the bait. Worth every penny, I tell you. Worth every single penny. Being in a place like this, the Dorset coast, the Jurassic coast, you can't beat it. Absolutely stunning. It's even got a bit of Dolly Parton playing. You can't hear that. Well, I hope not anyway. Alright guys, bring you back in a minute. You know the routine by now. Well guys, as you can see, that's enough for me. Yeah, all day yesterday, 13 hours, and 6 hours today without a bloody snifter, so I'm calling it quits. Chesil Beach, you're the winner. You're the winner this time, but I'll be back. Oh yeah, I'll be back. That's right guys, I'll be back to see you soon. Not sure where we're going to end up, probably a bit more local, maybe, I don't know, a bit of Slapton maybe, Berryhead, Torquay, don't know. Watch this space. By the way, thanks for liking and subscribing guys, really appreciate that. I'm no awesome YouTuber like a lot of the guys out there. I'm just a normal bloke just like you. Just doing a bit of YouTubing. Just giving a bit of information out there, something to watch on a rainy old night. Big cloud coming. Right, before it comes here guys, thanks again. We'll see you later. Here comes the cloud. Again, this is the bit you don't see. Double journey. In fact, I can hardly get it up this bit of bank. I ain't looking forward to that bit either.